In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 301 redirect in HubSpot. Redirects are an essential aspect of managing your website's SEO and ensuring that visitors are sent to the correct pages if a URL changes or is no longer valid. Let's dive into the process to make sure you can seamlessly do this in HubSpot. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot website, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log in using your HubSpot account credentials. Simply click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password and click Login to access your HubSpot dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home interface. This is your launching pad for all things HubSpot and where you'll get started on setting up your redirect. Now direct your attention to the navigation bar on the lower left hand side where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it and this will take you to your settings dashboard where you have a variety of options for managing your HubSpot account and website functionalities. What you're looking for next is the domains and URLs section. In this section you manage everything related to your domain and the URLs associated with it. Click on domains and URLs to proceed. Once you're in the domains and URLs settings, the next step is to select URL redirects. You'll see this option in the left side menu. After selecting URL redirects, you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage all redirect settings for your HubSpot account. This is where you can add, edit or delete URL redirects based on your site's needs. To add a new redirect, locate and click the Add URL Redirect button. This is typically a bright, noticeable button, making it easy to find. Clicking it will open a new form where you can input details for the redirect. In this form, you'll need to specify the original URL you want to redirect from, and then provide the new destination URL to which users will be directed. After entering the URLs, you may want to explore further customizations, which is why you'll click on More Options. This tab allows you to refine your redirect settings to better fit your website needs. Finally, you'll select Permanent 301 from the list of redirect types. The 301 redirect indicates that the original URL has moved permanently and search engines should update their index accordingly. This is crucial for SEO as it helps transfer the search engine rankings of the old URL to the new one, maintaining your website's visibility. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, save your changes and your 301 redirect is officially in place. Now whenever someone tries to access the old URL, they'll be seamlessly directed to the new destination, keeping your website's experience smooth and efficient. And there you have it, you've successfully created a 301 redirect in HubSpot, ensuring both your visitors and search engines are guided to the correct place. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.